So I DIY installed these window sills, they're wood, a while ago, and it actually required me to cut into the drywall these beautiful beveled pieces that I had bought, and I had to cut into the drywall to install them. But I recently found this idea in a hotel of all places, a marble slab or a stone slab to be used as the windowsill. So you can see it's perfectly rectangular and it fits right up against the drywall. There's no need to cut into it. And hotels are built for durability, right? So if you're worried about your wood sills getting damaged or spilled or whatever, if you got kids, this might be a possible. It's a game of measurements, right? And certainly you have to find a way to cut this. But if you could find an old scrap piece of stone somewhere, and call around and see if they have a rectangular shape pre-cut, and that could match your dimensions of your window, and it kind of looks nice, I think. So I wanted to put this video out there, and of course you caulk all around it and underneath it to hold it in place and to waterproof it, but really durable and I think really pretty. So hopefully this has helped.